What's going on? Why am I sneezing? Dust is here, crumbs are here, and mess everywhere. That's why I'm sneezing. I know what to do. Let's go. Now it's clean. Remember, always clean your space for better air quality.